Biosoptech has developed a crowdfunding solution which is a complete replica of a KissKissBank, a popular crowdfunding site. Basically, in this solution, we have divided the three modes. One is of launcher, this another one is of discoverer, third one is admin. Launcher will be the one who will be able to post their ideas and can collect the funds in order to get their ideas accomplished. Discoverer will be the one who will be able to monitor the idea. They'll be able to mentor the idea and can provide user the funds so that he can get his idea accomplished. Admin will be able to User will be able to submit their products in different categories. He will be able to launch his product. He'll be able to launch his product, and by giving the project title, the amount of fund required, and the duration in which he required the funds, he'll launch his project, which will move to the discoverer. Discoverer will be able to see the projects available in different categories. He'll be able to see the products that has been successfully done by the same. He can see the amount contributed by the other users, what was the goal, and how much the project has been successful or not. He'll be able to read the news related to the platform, or the announcement that admin wants to make for the platform. He'll be able to create to launch an idea, or to get the details about an idea. He'll be able to create an account, and after which he'll receive a verification link. After verifying an account, he can log in into his panel and can see he can log in into his panel and can see the amount of fund that has been raised by him accordingly.